To draw this object, generate several additional planes. From the top view, click on Reference Geometry. Select the option Plane. Select the distance from the top view based on the drawing. Continue generating the rest of the planes using the last one created as a reference. Now, start drawing the sketches on each plane, according to the drawing. Draw the last sketch, which features a simple rectangle. Finally, proceed to generate the solid with the lofted boss base operation, and by selecting each sketch in order. To better visualize the piece, hide the visible planes. Great! To practice, try doing it yourself by looking at the drawing and following these steps. Good luck!